If your space feels incomplete, Japandi-Minimalist style can fix it. This is the layout of our subscriber, Naveesh. Right now, her space feels unfinished and dull, so it's hard to get the look she wants. But that's what we're here for. We'll be giving her home a fresh update with a Japandi-Minimalist style. Also, if you need urgent design, visit our website at www.designburst24.com. First thing you should do is to create clear zones for the living, dining, and bedroom, giving each one a specific purpose. Starting with the living area, located at the upper right corner of the layout, occupying a rectangular space. For this kind of setup, you can create two functional zones, one for lounging and one for media entertainment. The main seating faces the TV feature wall at a comfortable distance, close enough for a good view, but far enough to avoid eye strain. The furniture is spaced well, leaving enough room for smooth movement with about 0.6 and 0.8 meters of walking clearance. Next is the dining area, found in the lower right part of the layout. It forms a semi-open space that connects easily to the living. You can choose this setup for your dining zone as it supports social interaction, especially in small spaces, offering good circulation and balanced seating. You can also add a small bar counter, which can be used for casual meals or light work zone, adding function without needing an extra room. Finally, the bedroom is located in the upper left part of the layout. It's fully dedicated to rest and visual calm. Now, what could be a good arrangement of zone? If you have this kind of layout, place the sleeping zone at the center against a wall with enough space on both sides, which allows for easy access and balanced movement around the room. You can see that this layout uses smart zoning to maximize space while keeping everything functional, comfortable, and visually organized. The color and material palette is essential. It acts as a guide to achieve a cohesive look throughout your home's interior. Some homeowners use too many colors, which can make the space feel mismatched. If you want to plan your interior like a designer, it's best to stick to a calming palette. Since the style is Japandi-Minimalist, then think warm wood tones, neutral colors, and soft textures to tie all the zones together. Now, let's apply this concept to Naveesh's space. You can use warm beige, large format tiles for the flooring and an off-white tone for both the walls and ceiling to keep the space light and airy. When it comes to the material palette, you can mix different wood tones, such as warm beige and medium oak panels. Use these finishes across different areas of your home to keep the style consistent and unified. For the other fixtures, you can also stick to a neutral palette to keep everything balanced and timeless. If you love this color and material palette, then it's time to bring it into your own space. Now, you need a ceiling treatment. Some homes have cove or drop ceilings, but in Naveesh's space, it is plain and flat. If you have the same kind of flat ceiling, don't leave it plain. Designers often add subtle treatments to elevate the look without making it feel heavy. One smart option is to install track lighting with adjustable spotlights. This works well with minimalist spaces and allows you to direct light exactly where it's needed. You can also add pin lights, which blend seamlessly with the ceiling's clean lines. Another great feature is a triple recessed downlight. It offers a sleek, flush-mounted finish that enhances the overall design. By adding these elements, you can improve the look of your ceiling without making it feel overwhelming. Now you chose furniture, decor, and texture that fits the space just right. In the living area, no oversized pieces. Instead, a low-profile L-shaped sofa, a soft round ottoman, and a curved accent chair keep the layout open and airy. A round coffee table adds softness and removes the risk of bumping into sharp edges. You can apply the same approach in your own space. For the entertainment area, a floating console helps reduce clutter, then frames the TV nicely, creating a built-in look without using too much space. Next, for the dining area, a round dining table supports smoother movement around the space, and slim cushioned chairs add comfort without bulk. You can add a built-in cabinet with open shelves, provide storage and display. Then, a compact bar counter nearby serves multiple purposes, perfect for small spaces. In the bedroom, you chose furniture that's both stylish and functional. A low-profile upholstered bed keeps the room light and open. A built-in side cabinet with open shelves offers space for storage and decor. Then a vertical cabinets hide your clothes neatly, while a bench with drawers adds extra seating and storage. Every piece is sized to fit well without crowding the room. The setup isn't complete yet. To bring the whole space together, you'll need to add soft layers like rugs, curtains, wall art, and plants, plus some decorative pieces in each area. These touches turn a well-designed space into lived-in, cozy, and personal space. These are the thoughtful layout choices designers plan from the beginning, and it's exactly what you need to learn if you want to design your home like a professional. A cozy and functional space needs more than just one light source. It needs layered lighting. Start with an LED strip light placed above the wall accent to create a soft glow. You can add warm shelf lighting built into the cabinets to bring out texture and depth. Then, wall sconces can highlight artwork pieces, making the space feel more curated. Finally, a modern dome pendant above the round table gives balanced light and becomes a stylish centerpiece. These different layers don't just brighten the room, they create mood, guide attention, and enhance the overall design. It's an essential step if you want to plan your interior like a designer. Let's now take a tour of the complete makeover. Also, if you need urgent design, visit our website at www.designburst24.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another design tips.